Hello everyone, with your programs. In this video we work with URL Launcher. Let's start with add this package, URL Launcher, and add to Android manifest this code. Save. Then we open main.dart. For iOS need add this code. Save. And now we update main.dart. Delete comments. URL Launcher. Then delete comment. Save. And now we write variable bool has call support false future void launch it string phone then write init state write can launch URL, then to write URI scheme tell path 1 2 3 then dot then bool result write set state then has call support result then we write method make phone call future string phone number async final URI launch URI scheme tell path phone number await launch URL launch URI save. Next method about open link future void launch in browser, then write URI URL async if await launch URL then mod launch mod dot external application save and write throw if we get error exception cloud not launch. URL save final URI to launch URI then write scheme HTTPS then write host youtube.com and channel my channel write text field on change string text phone text decoration input decoration then write hind text then write input the phone number to launch add const save add widget padding 16 write elevated button has call support set state, launch it, then write method make phone call, then write phone, save, and null, then write has call support, add widget text, write make phone call, text, calling not supported, const, then elevated button, callback function, then set state, launch it, launch in browser, to launch, const text, launch in browser, save, and now we open Android emulator and test URL Launcher. Write number 37529 888 9933. Open phone number, and now we open link to my channel. This all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.